Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change the text selection color in Microsoft Word from translucent gray to solid black. To do this, you will have to make some registry changes. The first thing is you will have to open the Registry Editor. So you can open the Registry Editor by doing a right click on the Start button and then click on Run. In the Run window, you may go ahead and type regedit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. While you're making any registry changes on your computer, please make sure you follow the step-by-step instruction. Just in case if you make any incorrect registry changes, there are chances that your application or some of the functions in the application may not function the way how it is supposed to work. Now, while you have the registry editor open, please make sure that you have the registry editor in this structure. Once your registry editor is in this structure, you will have to go and expand H key current user. Under H key current user, you will have to expand software. Under software, you will have to go and expand Microsoft. Locate Microsoft and expand Microsoft. Under Microsoft, look for Office. It would be in alphabetical order. Once you locate Office, expand Office by clicking on this triangle here, the small triangle, and then locate for 16.0. Under 16.0, you will have to locate for Word. Expand Word. Under Word, you will have to look for Options. Once you have selected Options, you will have to do a right click on the blank space and then click on New. Choose DWORD 32-bit value. In this, you will have to go ahead and type the text which says NoTranslucentSelection. I will also mention this in the video description. Hit enter. Once you have entered this text, you will have to do a right click and then click on modify. Change the value data from 0 to 1 and then click on OK. Now, when you open Word and when you try to select Word, the selection color is being changed from gray translucent to solid black. So this is how you can go ahead and change the translucent gray to solid black for your Word selection. In case if you want to revert it, you can go back to the registry, you can do a right click and then delete the registry key what you have created. Close Registry Editor, close and reopen Word, and now you should have your Word selection from solid black to translucent gray. So this is how you can toggle the colors from translucent gray to solid black. Please note the steps does not let you to change the color like blue or red. It only allows you to toggle between the default translucent gray and a solid black selection style. If your goal is to change the normal text color, that is a separate and can be done from a font color button in Word. I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.